morning, I'm Chamdal and my channel name is AmmyTech Mechanic. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to unbox the Realme C11 2021. So let's start. And guys, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Click the notification icon so that you will never miss my videos. So let's start. So guys, the unboxing experience is like this. First, you get your Realme branding. And here you get your Realme C11 2021. So this is like 2021 version of Realme C11. So this is the front look of the box. This is the side look of the box. Realme C11 2021. Here also the side look of the box. So when we go to rear back side, so this is the Realme C11 2021 again. So the highlighting features are, first you get here 5000 mAh massive battery, 6.5 inches mini drop full screen, powerful octa-core processor, and 2 plus 32 GB large storage. So this is the color that I ordered. The color is lake blue. So this is all. So you can see here, this is the color, lake blue, and the variant is 232. So guys, let's unbox the phone. So let's keep the box aside. So now, the first compartment written is, "Hey, welcome to Realme family." So every Realme phone gets this. Let's keep the box here. Let's see what's here. So first you get your Realme information guide. So you can see here. So here it is written that what you can do in the phone. And here you get the quick guide also. So there is no jelly case. So now let's see the SIM card pin. So here's the SIM card pin. So let's keep this side. And the next one is the phone. So guys, let's keep the phone side. So the last compartment. So here you get here the usually micro USB cable in this price range. So here you get micro USB. And now let's keep this inside the box. So the second one you get here is charger. So this is the ordinary Realme charger, which is 10 volts. The charger looks like this. So this looks like a Oppo charger. So now let's keep everything aside and let's get into our phone. So guys, now let's get our phone. So this is the, let's remove the wrapper. So this is satisfying. So in the back side, it is written like warning about the SIM card. So this is the SIM slot type. Now let's keep the side. So guys, the look and feel of the phone looks like this. So this is the display. So when we go to the back side, so this one is like this. This is plain matte, and the speaker grill is on back side. So you can see the design. So this is polycarbonate back. And now let's put it up. So this is Realme's powered by Android Go Edition. So the Android version you get here is Go Edition. While booting, let's talk about the ports and buttons. So guys, here you get here the volume up and down key with power button. Let's go to the back side. Here you got micro USB port, microphone, and headphone jack. So no speaker here. So the speaker is at the back side. And nothing in the side except for the SIM card slot. So now let's set it up the phone. We will do this in fast motion. So guys, the phone that you are seeing here is also Realme C11 2021, but it's on gray color. Now let's get the phone and talk about the specifications. So guys, first, when we talk about the display, so the display size is 6.5 inches, HD plus, 89.5% screen to body ratio. So this has multi-touch display. So this looks like this, the display. So let us open it. When we talk about the display, so I'm going to show you the display quality in this phone. So guys, the display quality looks like this. Let's see. So the format that is playing is 1080p. So this is the highest one. So since it's HD plus display. And the viewing angles is kind of good. Here also, and here. So you can see this is like this, the display. So now let's talk about the camera. So guys, when we talk about the camera, so the selfie camera gets 5 megapixel AI selfie camera. So the notch type is water drop notch. And the back camera gets only single camera, which is 8 megapixel single camera. So this is also AI camera. You can see here, this has flash also, single flash. I am going to show you some photo examples. So the UI is not kind of matching of like your Realme UI. So guys, when we talk about the camera, so the front camera gets 5 megapixel AI camera, and while in the rear you get here 8 megapixel AI camera. It's written here also. So now I'm going to show you some photo and video examples. So it does not match the UI of the Realme because this has Android Go, which is lighter version of Android. So I'm going to show you some photo and video examples. So the video recording support is 1080p at 30 fps video recording. So it's good. And the camera features are panoramic view, portrait mode, expert mode, time lapse, HDR, beauty, filter. So let me show you. So this is the mode. This is the video quality of the Realme C11 2021. And I hope that you like the video quality and the microphone quality. This is the real video quality of the Realme C11. So I hope that you can see it properly, the video quality of the Realme C11 2021. Now let us talk about the charging and the battery. So guys, when we talk about the battery, you get the 5000 milliampere massive battery, and it supports reverse charging also, which is good. So the charger gets 10 watts. So guys, when we talk about the SIM slot, you get here triple SIM slot, so 3 card slot. So when we talk about the size and weight, so the length is 165.2 millimeters and the width is 76.4 millimeter. So the weight is 190 gram with battery. So the sensors that we get is magnetic induction sensor, light sensor, proximity sensor, acceleration sensor, and gyrometer. So the ports are 3.5 millimeter jack and micro USB cable. So the operating system you get here is Realme UI with Android 11 Go edition. So let me show you. So here you get here Android 11 Go edition. So now let's talk about the speaker quality of this phone. So guys, the speaker quality is like this. So the speaker is at the back side. So it's good, it's doing its work, the speaker. So now let's proceed to the price and the conclusion. So guys, in my conclusion, this is the best smartphone in this price range because first of all, you get here big battery, and this is our Realme branded phone. So the storage option that I ordered was 2 GB RAM and 32 GB storage. So there are two options. There is 232 and 464. So guys, I hope you guys like my video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. This is Chamdal from AmmyTech Mechanic. Thank you guys. See you soon. Bye!